trying to finish up this van today, everybody. So there are a few things left. The front cabinet, which is only the 24-inch. This connection right here to plug in the external or the portable power generator. One light on the roof and the under cabinet lights. So pretty much done. But right now, before I put all the panels, you know, on the side, before I close it up, I'm testing the water to make sure that everything works fine, hot and cold water, there's no leak anywhere. Then I can finish up with the panels. Last night I spent, I stayed late to clear coat all these panels under the cabinet. As you can see, it comes out, the color is so nice, nice wood color, and you know that when you put the clear coat, the real wood color really shines. So it's looking nice right now, and we'll see how I'm putting the water to see test the leak. Okay, so everything inside is good, no leak, hot water instantly. So now we're gonna test the external shower here. Alright, you guys, it's finally done. We're done with this van, okay? This is a nice camper van on it. A 144 wheelbase Sprinter, perfect for a family camping trip. We got 5 seats, 5 seat belts in the front, and back here it's a convertible bed. Okay, we got a swivel table right here, lagoon table, and it's right here, store it away. When you want to make it into a bed, you can put it down here to fill up into a bed, and then the cushion on top. Then you can sleep with like this. Okay. So what did we do? Okay, we added. Look at this.
Unit.
AC unit combo. Okay, AC and heater in one unit. Okay, this that's what we added. And all these, look at it, all these brand new cabinets, beautiful oak finish cabinets. Okay, super strong struts. Okay, 30 inches, 24 inches, and 24 inches on this side. Oops. Okay, microwave. Still room to upgrade if you want a bigger microwave. Okay, you got enough room here. All our switches, all the controls are over here. Okay, lights on the roof. All corners for security at night. Switches all over here. You can control over here. Okay. Right there. Super bright. Okay. We also have the Max Air fan here. Okay. Wait, is it Max? It is a Max Air. I forgot which one it is which. Max Air. No, this is fantastic fan. My bad. too many fans. Okay, so fantastic fan. This is also rain sensor built in. Okay, our 15 by 13 and 10-inch deep sink. Look at this. Hot water right away. Instant hot water. Okay, you guys, hot and cold water right away. Look at this. Super quiet. Okay, nice pressure too. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is 1.5 inch butcher block, and I stained it cognac color and clear coated too. So it's waterproof. Look at this. Okay, waterproof. I don't wanna. Yeah, I got it. Okay. keep it shiny. Okay, so this van has 500 amps, 5 of the 100 amp lithium batteries, and it's got 325 watts of solar panels on the top. It's got a Victron DC to DC charger, and also the Victron 30 amp charge controller. Okay, 300 watts, 3000 watts inverter. Okay, shower, diesel heater right here. Okay, what else? Don't you like the cute reading lights? Okay, these are really cute. Shower, retractable shower door from a long day hiking. This is perfect. Okay, and 22-inch walking aisles right here, huge. Okay, oh, you know what I forgot? On this side, the okay, let's go see on this side. Okay, on this side, we choose to leave it open as a storage, you know, and because I built this a little bit higher so we can fit our refrigerator right here. You can access it from the outside or from the inside. Check this out. Don't you like our little, okay, perfect refrigerator right here? Okay, you can reach in and get things from the inside, or while you're at the campsite, just get it from outside. So it's very accessible, very easy. That's why I built it higher. Okay, the thing built right on well, a little bit to the side of it, so we have space right here. We can, you know, store things right here, snacks and, you know, whatever you store in here. So that's it. Look at this 144 wheelbase, fits everything in it. Perfect for camping trip. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. This is Bo. I hope you enjoy watching it, and hope you like it. I will see you next time. There's more van build on the way, so stay tuned. This is Bo. Thank you so much. Bye bye.